up your window.
I got stuck.
Not you.
Oh, you're. Let me get up this hill. Okay.
Madeline, look.
Oh god.
What the heck made that noise?
I don't know.
Buffet.
That's enough.
Oh! Oh, no. Please stop.
You giving up?
Madeline's laughing.
Come here.
Okay, he got food. Now let's go. He's distracted. He's gonna take it from me, Megan.
Here comes the ostriches. They're mean.
Oh
Oh.
my god. Yeah, these
they
suckers
mean?
are mean. Yeah, they're. God, get so much power.
Oh, he hit his nose on the window.
Okay, go away. Mom! Oh, he's gonna attack Madeline. Oh. Madeline, look. Madeline, look. Holy crap. Oh, it's perfect. Feed Madeline. I mean, dude, let her do it.
There's no
Because
more.
this one's closer.
Wait,
No, no.
there's a couple. Oh.
Natty.
Kind of like a cow tongue. Hello.
I think this is it.